Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where affiliates, that's you, promote products or services from other companies. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step is to select a niche that interests you or aligns with your expertise. It could be anything from fitness, technology, fashion, or even personal finance. Great! So, how do we find affiliate programs? Step 2. Research and join affiliate programs. You can join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. These networks have thousands of products and services to promote. Now that we've joined an affiliate program, how do we promote the products? Step 3. Create quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. You can start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles to share valuable content related to your niche. Create reviews, guides, tutorials, and engaging posts that provide value to your audience. And how do we include the affiliate links? Step 4. Incorporate affiliate links. You can strategically place your affiliate links within your content. For example, if you're reviewing a product, you can include your affiliate link in the description or as a call to action button. Step 5. Offer incentives and reasons. Providing incentives like discounts, bonuses, or exclusive offers can encourage your audience to click on your affiliate links. People love getting something extra, and it can boost your conversion rates. Step 6. Monitor and optimize. Yes, monitoring your performance is crucial. Keep track of your sales, clicks, and conversions to identify what's working and what's not. Use this data to optimize your content and promotional strategies. Step 7. Be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build an audience, gain their trust, and see substantial results. Be patient, consistent, and don't give up. I hope this information helps aspiring affiliate marketers to achieve success. And thank you to all our viewers for tuning in. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from dedication, quality content, and perseverance. Happy affiliate marketing, everyone! Thanks for watching.